Ford made cars for every man. Could Tesla do the same? We have recently reported that Tesla is outselling its three main competitors, Chevy, Nissan, and BMW, combined when it comes to electric car sales. How much more would Tesla be able to sell if the competitors found ways to make their cars available to everyone? This report will explore some ways in which Tesla could increase its dominance in the electric vehicle market and how they could emulate Ford's approach to automobile manufacturing during the 1920s. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haria from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story if you would like to receive daily Tesla news from Torque News channel. One of our friends and channel watchers, H. Rosenmayer, sent me an interesting research talking about how could Tesla increase its dominance in the electric vehicle market and how could Tesla emulate Ford's approach to automobile manufacturing during the early 1920s. H says, in the 1920s, Ford developed the idea to build automobiles that everyone could afford. Until that point, cars had been available only to the wealthy because of the high cost of building each unique one at a time. In 1913, Ford installed the first assembly line, the brainchild of Ransom Olds, in order to decrease cost by automating the manufacturing process. This helped to decrease the cost of cars. Seemingly overnight, this made the process quicker and cheaper. Ford knew that he could make more money if he made cars that everyone could afford. There were then and always be more low and mid-range buyers than luxury buyers for whom all auto manufacturers built their cars. This one single adjustment by Ford opened an untapped market. Ford was able to make auto purchasing possible for almost everybody by building cars quickly, at lower cost, and more reliably than his competitors. Also, Model Ts were able to do things no custom-built cars could. Replacing broken parts was easy and inexpensive because they were all built with standardized parts, and improvements in design could be tooled into the manufacturing process quickly. Plus, they could go through 6 inches of thick mud along with uneven ground and keep on chugging. Tesla already has the market cornered on electric vehicles. How much more market share could Tesla acquire if, in addition to its high mileage luxury cars, Tesla gave the average car buyer who may not be able to afford a Model S a core group of lower mileage, therefore lower cost, vehicles from which to choose? The average driver really doesn't need a daily range of 300-400 miles for their cars. Most people, in theory, could live 95% of their life with 150 miles of battery range or less. For the 1 or 2 weeks a year when people would need more range to go on vacation, for instance, Tesla could offer a rental service to use one of their higher range cars, or the person could rent and drive one of the many hybrids or plug-ins that are available on the market. Tesla could make models of cars with a lower range, let's say lower cost, and undoubtedly have a greater market share than they do even now. Currently, they make cars with 450 miles of range, but if they were to make lower cost cars with 150 miles of range, they would be able to earn more for those 3 cars combined than they would for the one car with 450 miles of range. Tesla could acquire 3 new customers instead of just 1, and the potential for multiple customers from the 3 could build up quickly. Just think if Tesla introduced a Camry or RAV4 equivalent into the market that had 150 miles of range combined with the reliability of a Toyota, they could take over even more car segments than they have mastery of now. In addition, Tesla vehicles hold their value very well because of some partly over-the-air updates. Trying to find even a used one at an affordable price is well nigh impossible. But what would happen if Tesla broke through the market like Nissan did with the Leaf and flooded the market with lower price, low mileage capability, low battery degradation, high reliability RAV4 like Teslas? Since the Nissan Leaf, was the first mass-market electric vehicle, people flocked to buy it. With the added value of the Tesla name and improved overall quality, Tesla could storm the market and overtake any competitors in this way. Tesla could accomplish this by building price point competitors to the Hyundai Ioniq EV and Mini SE, both good sedan, coupe cars with good reliability and a lower MSRP. In the American SUV market, Tesla could potentially outcompete the RAV4 Prime or hybrid and the internationally available Kia Niro EV and Hyundai Kona electric vehicles. Tesla has proven its battery reliability over the past 10 years and also has gotten its name out as the leader in the electric vehicle segment. Introduced in 2012, the Toyota RAV4 EV was a great combination of Toyota's market-leading reliability and Tesla's market-leading battery technology. The MSRP of the RAV4 EV was in the $50,000 range, but a lot has changed in the last 8 years. Tesla now has the capabilities to build fleets of cars and have changed its battery technology enough that the batteries are rated for 300,000 miles or more, which has been proven in several articles and studies in the past, whereas some Nissan Leafs degrade so badly they can barely get 50 miles of range at 50,000 miles from their original 73 miles, or degradation of 32%. Nissan Leafs have no cooling pack, which leads to their quick degradation, whereas Tesla has a very specific fluid its batteries sit in and that are able to transfer heat away from the batteries. In an article with Digital Trends, Tesla found that running cars for over 300,000 miles only showed 24% decrease in battery capacity, dropping range from 260 to 200 miles. In conclusion, many factors beyond the scope of this report must be considered for this sweeping change. But if Tesla could follow Henry Ford's example and build a lower range, high reliability car, Tesla could break even further into the electric vehicle market. They are the leader in battery development, have built a good name in reliability, and are super cool. Well, friends, let me know what you think. Do you agree with H. Rosenmayer that the market now would do well with lower mileage Tesla cars, even if they're cheaper? I mean, I would like to see maybe 18,000 or 17,000 Tesla with 150,000 miles of 150 miles of range per single charge. Or maybe the standard is becoming and going up even for 400 miles, because maybe the range anxiety is still issue for some people, although for many people the daily commute in cities could be less than like 20 miles or 30 miles. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Let me know please in the comment section below. In the meantime, please like this video to show your appreciation of H. Rosenmayer, and if you have similar stories you would like to share with Torque News, please email me your stories to report on. You can find my email in the About page of our Torque News channel. And in the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story if you would like to see daily Tesla stories. I'll see you in our next report. God bless you and take good care of each other. Have a wonderful rest of the day.